Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Dorsanee. Once again, this is their packaging. All right, I then see this drawstring bag which has the wig, so we're gonna get into that in a few. But our goodies that we got today, we got a edge brush and comb, a branded Dorsanee elastic headband, and a pair of HD wig caps. That's everything. And then let's get into the wig of the day. So this is the wig of the day. Okay, looking really good. What this is Dorsanee's Water Wave 4C baby hair full lace wig. I need you guys to get into it. It's fully lace. Okay, and that's the construction. Has adjustable straps in the back, 3 combs on the inside, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and then this adjustable strap here, which you could loosen or tighten to your liking, whichever you prefer. All right, you got a listen, this you could be so versatile with this wig because it's a full lace wig. As I said, it's a water wave and it's considered 26 inches, even though it's giving me more 24 vibes, but they say it's 26 inches. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty soft, and it's pre-plucked and stuff already for you. But yeah, so it feels really good. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut off the lace in the back, but I'm also going to show you guys how well the lace looks. So I'm gonna put it on my mannequin head right here and show you guys how much space you're working with. Like it's a full lace wig, so feel free to go ahead and do different styles with this. You know, just get creative, go crazy, because I mean, honey, it's fully laced. Now that I show you guys how it looks on the mannequin head, let's go ahead and jump into the installation of this wig. This is how it looks once I go ahead and cut away the excess lace so far. I'm actually gonna do a really nice glue install today. Of course, for today's glue, I'm using the PS Luxe lace line, everything PS Luxe lace line. So for the ball cap, I use my spray, and then I'm now gonna use my PS Luxe waterproof lace glue. Yes, waterproof, and no, it doesn't have latex in it or any of that. So I usually do like 2 to 3 layers. I'm just gonna speed through this portion.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
So this is how we're looking. So I'm just gonna finesse the edges. Like, this is how they're looking. It's not too much, but we still don't want it to look like unnatural. So I'm gonna pull back some. I'm just gonna play around with it. So play around with it as you please, and then I'm gonna get into, you know, styling options of this wig.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
I actually like it. It's not too much, like it's not too much hairs to make it look like super dense and unrealistic. But it's definitely giving okay. You wanna do a little edge action. So yeah, I like how that's looking there. I didn't necessarily let like the hairs like be completely laid, just like it's just very random placement. So as I said, just play with it how you please. What I'm gonna do the first look. So I want to do like 2 buns, but like low buns. So you know, it's a full lace, so we have to show that, you know, it's giving scalp right throughout. So I'm just gonna get my hot comb and get the front kind of. First of all, let me get my PS Luxe wax stick. Okay, and I'm just gonna lay just gonna push that up and lay the hair. while I do the ponytail, well, the buns, I'm gonna just get the elastic band and ensure that, you know, that the lace is laid while I style the wig.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I've been with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. From the broken pieces.
I need you guys to see this. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Cute, right? And you guys know once I do a 360 or a full lace wig, it's gonna be giving like the effortless looks. But it's looking good. It's looking so flat and realistic. Oh my god, it looks so fun and cute. That's hairstyle number 1.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher.
I'm not a professional Bantu knotter. It took me so long to get these done, but you get the gist. It is giving scalp, so you could go ahead and do hairstyles like these. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I listen, you get the picture. But yeah, so it's still really cute. The edges definitely add to it, and then I just put the back in a ponytail just so you don't, it kind of give that vibe. But you could also go ahead and just leave it out, which is really cute too, actually. Could literally just leave it here. Yeah, that's actually, I think I prefer this. But yeah, so that's look 2. Okay, come through scalp. For the third look, you know, we have to take it all the way to the classic. So I'm gonna do a top bun. Yeah, you guys know that's my signature 360 full lace wig vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.
And in the back does have like a little bit of baby hair. But yeah, that's how we're looking. Super cute, right? Yeah. But yeah, that's it. My third and final look. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like I did. Yeah, I feel like today's looks were fun. I mean, you guys are used to the bun, the top bun up, obviously, but overall, the wig is very easy to work with. It's very versatile. I think when you're going for a wig that you can do in so many different so many styles, a full lace wig is always like the go. So if you're looking for that, Dorsanee has it. So feel free to go ahead and check my description down below, because the direct link is down there where you can go ahead and get this wig. All the specifications are listed. Any discount or just deals that may be going on, that's where it will be listed if there are any. So check down below. Shout out to Dorsanee once more for today's gorgeous look, today's gorgeous wig look. That's it. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on yourself.